Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to use the screen off memo. Now of course the screen off memo is a feature that you may not be aware of on your Note devices or on your S22 Ultra. Alright, so this is the S22 Ultra. I'm going to show you to use the screen off memo. Now the screen off memo is built in. So all you gotta do is when the display is off, let's say you want to make a very quick note. For example, you might be in a meeting or somebody's giving you information very quickly. Simply eject the S Pen from your device. Once you do, you'll have this screen right here and it says write. Press the pen button and tap the screen to start a note when the screen is off. So as you can see here, once the pen is activated, you can write, simply do a test. And as you can see here, it's quite easy. So you can start writing without having to click or go through any on-screen options. So as you can see here, it gives you an idea of a note. You can hit save. And once you save, that's it. Let me unlock the device. So if you go to Samsung Notes, you'll notice it's right here. And it was written on the memo screen. So simply it shows up as a black background, so you can distinguish it from your normal notes. All right, so I'm gonna end the tutorial here. I hope you found this useful, and as always, Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.